How to use Smart Finder. Install the Small Lovely app from the App Store or Google Play. Find the Small Lovely app in the settings of your phone and turn on all the buttons. For Android, follow the notifications of the app. How to register. Enter the Small Lovely app and turn on the phone's Bluetooth. Click the devices icon, then hold the camera button down on the device. It will automatically register after you hear 2 beeps. Click the plus icon in the top right corner to register. Finding function. Click to connect, then push the speaker icon to cause the device to beep. The high fidelity beep will be audible to you, so you can find your belongings. It will also show you how far away you are from the device as a percentage. Phone finding function. When your Smart Finder is connected and within range, you can use your Smart Finder to find your phone. Press the camera button 2 times in succession and it will cause your phone to alert. Long press to close it. Remote camera shutter. Enter the selfie function and use the camera button to take the photo. Anti-lost function. When your phone goes out of your Smart Finder device's range, it will make an audible alert on your phone. This is a fantastic tool to use so you don't forget to take items with you. Last seen tracking function. The Smart Finder will put a pin drop on the map of where it lost the connection, so you know where it probably went out of range.